Simplified Loader Excel templates use BI reports to pull data from Oracle Fusion. Creating BI reports is a one-step process and takes less than a minute to complete. To create BI reports, navigate to the Admin panel in the Excel template. In Admin panel, refer to the section BI report. Select the environment from the drop-down list and enter the username and password of the user with BI Administrator role access. Click the Create BI Report button. This action will create the required BI reports in Oracle Fusion. Once the operation completes, the user will be presented with a confirmation message. The BI reports creation using the Admin panel is only supported when the BI Administrator uses non-SSO login credentials. Contact the Simplified Loader support if the BI Administrator uses the SSO login. We have the confirmation message mentioning that reports are successfully created.